How to redeem Sephora gift card. Launch your preferred browser and head over to the website sephora.com. Once you're on the web page, provide your credentials and log in to your account. Once logged in, you will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to your username. Different options will appear. Click on the option of account settings. Now head over to the option of payment and credits. From here, you will be able to check your gift card balance. To check your current balance, enter the card's 16-digit number and the PIN. Then you can check the balance. In order to redeem Sephora gift card, you have to make a purchase. First up, go ahead and select the items that you want to purchase. Add the items to the cart. Once we're done, head over to the cart section. Click on this basket icon given at the top right corner. Now click on the option of checkout. Once you're in the checkout page, provide your shipping address. Then scrolling down here, you'll find the section of payment method. Click on the option of edit. Here you're going to find different payment options. Select the option of add gift card. Now provide your gift card details, gift card number and the PIN and then click on apply. With that, your gift card will be redeemed. So this way you can easily redeem Sephora gift card. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.